we had the rattle, and now that Mommy's got the camera, who are you talking to? You don't want the rattle anymore? Got it? You sound like a monkey. Who are you talking to? Oh my gosh, it's a camera. She's a monkey. You sound like a monkey. Showing everyone what you can do with your rattle? Yeah? You'll wick it around? Are you getting mad because you don't have your pacifier? Oh, we don't care. We don't care. There it goes. He's gone. He's all gone. You can't eat the camera. You can eat the pacifier. Back in the mouth. Hey, goofball. Hey, Grunty, you sound like a Grunty. You're just grunting. You are.